Ovarian cysts appear during the normal functioning of the ovaries during ovulation. These cysts are called functioning cysts. We can distinguish two main ones. First, we have the follicle cyst. These cysts are formed when there is a malfunction of the release of the egg. The egg doesn't properly release, forming a cyst. This cyst can be up to 2.5 centimeters, and it goes on its own in about 2 to 3 menstrual cycles. Then we have a different kind of cyst it's called corpus luteum cyst. This cyst forms once the egg has exited the follicle. The empty follicle is filled with fluid again, and there is where we have our second cyst. These cysts are a little bigger. They can be up to 3 centimeters, and they reabsorb in about 2 to 3 weeks.